What if that old pistol you tossed in the back of your safe turns out to be the best financial investment you ever made? Right now, the collector market is going crazy. Certain handguns that once sat unsold in the $300 range are now fetching $15,000 or more. Some of these jumps happened almost overnight. And the number one entry on this list is going to hit you like a freight train. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment, because if you own one of these so-called worthless guns, you could be sitting on a hidden gold mine. Number 1. The original Colt Single Action Army. At the very top of the list sits the revolver that defined America's frontier. The Colt Single Action Army, first introduced in 1873. This .45 Colt 6-shooter earned the nickname Peacemaker. It wasn't just a handgun, it was the standard sidearm of the American West. Cowboys, lawmen, outlaws, and soldiers all trusted their lives to this revolver. Think of the names tied to it: Wyatt Earp, Wild Bill Hickok, Bat Masterson. Legends who carved their place in history while carrying this exact design. Colt's craftsmanship during the 1870s and 1880s was world-class. The fit, the finish, and the balance of those early single actions were second to none. In fact, an authenticated Wyatt Earp carried single-action Army recently crossed the auction block for over $500,000. Pros: the ultimate American firearm in terms of history, natural pointability with perfect balance, and exceptional quality in those early production years. Cons: single action only means you've got to cock the hammer for every shot. Reloading is slow, one round at a time through the loading gate. And of course, no modern safeties whatsoever. Current market value ranges from $15,000 on the low end to $500,000 or more for a documented piece with history. Number 2. Colt 1911, a World War II edition. The Colt 1911. A 1 is more than just a sidearm. It is a symbol of America's fighting spirit during the darkest years of the 20th century. This .45 ACP pistol was carried by American forces everywhere from Pearl Harbor all the way to Tokyo Bay. The A1 update brought a shorter trigger, an arched mainspring housing, and a few other refinements that made it a little more ergonomic than the original 1911 design. Now, here's the important part. Colt was not the only maker. Remington Rand, Ithaca, and even Union Switch and Signal rolled these pistols out by the hundreds of thousands. That mass production effort armed every branch of service, and the .45 ACP cartridge gave our soldiers the kind of stopping power the enemy could not ignore. When you pick up a genuine World War II 1911, you're holding a piece of history that rode ashore on D-Day, fought through the jungles of the Pacific, and stood guard over victory itself. Pros: rock-solid reliability proven in combat, historical weight that goes beyond measure, and the raw authority of that .45 ACP cartridge. Cons: heavy for daily carry by modern standards, a limited 7-round magazine, and because it is single action, it requires cocked and locked carry, which not everyone is comfortable with today. Current market value: anywhere from $2,800 all the way up to $12,000, depending on maker and condition. So ask yourself, could that war trophy tucked away in your closet actually be worth more than the car in your driveway? Number 3. Smith & Wesson Model 29. Introduced in 1956, the Smith & Wesson Model 29 was chambered in .44 Magnum, and it instantly claimed the crown as the most powerful production handgun on Earth. Built on the massive N-frame, the Model 29 could handle loads that most shooters found downright punishing. Recoil was brutal. But when Clint Eastwood's Dirty Harry called it the most powerful handgun in the world, the demand exploded. That Hollywood fame guaranteed the Model 29 a place in gun history forever. Pros: at the time, unmatched stopping power, top-tier craftsmanship, especially in the early runs, and cultural fame that will never fade. Cons: recoil is too harsh for extended practice. The weight makes it a poor choice for carry, and feeding it quality .44 Magnum ammo gets expensive quick. Today's market value: around $1,800 to $4,500. Number 4. Colt Python. Launched in 1955, the Colt Python quickly earned the title the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. This .357 Magnum wheel gun was built with hand-fitted parts, and the level of craftsmanship set it apart from anything else available. The ventilated rib barrel, the full underlug, and Colt's deep royal blue finish gave the Python an unmistakable look. Early examples almost looked black under certain lighting. The polish was that rich. Shooters marveled at the smooth double-action pull. Collectors knew right away this was a revolver built to perfection. Pros: pinpoint accuracy, a finish so striking it still sets the standard. Double-action trigger work that feels like glass, and collectability that rivals art pieces. Cons: prices have skyrocketed. These guns are not cheap. The weight makes daily carry unrealistic, and timing adjustments require a skilled gunsmith. Current market value: $3,500 to $8,000. If you've got a Python handed down from the 1970s, you're holding something worth more than most new cars. Number 5. Browning High Power. In 1935, John Browning's final design changed handgun history forever. The Browning High Power introduced the double-stack magazine, putting 13 rounds of 9mm into shooters' hands at a time when most pistols carried half that. More than 50 nations would go on to issue this sidearm to their militaries and police. It even saw action on both Allied and Axis sides during World War II. The High Power was slim, balanced, and accurate. Soldiers and civilians alike respected it for its handling and reliability. Pros: 13-round capacity that rewrote the rulebook, battle-proven performance across the globe, excellent accuracy in the hands of trained shooters. Cons: single action only, which means cocked and locked carry, no modern safety systems. And that magazine disconnect safety turned off a lot of shooters. Current market value: $1,000 to $2,200. Number 6. Walther PPK. Back in 1931, Walther unveiled what would become one of the most iconic pocket pistols in history. The PPK was sleek, compact, and engineered with the kind of precision only German gunmakers could deliver. Chambered in either .32 ACP or .380 ACP, this little auto became legendary as the sidearm of choice for James Bond. But beyond Hollywood, it earned its place in history. During the Second World War, German officers carried them as personal sidearms. After the war, thousands came back across the Atlantic with American GIs who wanted a souvenir. The PPK offered a true double-action system in a pistol small enough to conceal easily, and its craftsmanship was second to none. Pros: top-tier German machining, slim, concealable profile, and worldwide fame thanks to pop culture. Cons: the calibers are on the weaker side for modern defense. 7-round capacity feels dated, and the disassembly process is more complicated than most pistols of its era. Current collector price: around $1,200 to $2,800. Number 7. Colt Detective Special. Now this one is legendary. Colt launched the Detective Special back in 1927, and it instantly rewrote the rulebook on concealed carry revolvers. Built as a 6-shot chambered in .38 Special with a 2-inch barrel, this little wheel gun gave detectives the firepower of a full-service revolver in a package small enough to hide under a suit jacket. Law enforcement plainclothes units carried them everywhere. Civilian carriers followed suit, and Hollywood sealed the Detective Special into American gun culture forever. Colt kept it in production for over 60 years, with millions sold across multiple generations. The reputation was always the same: tough, dependable, and built like a brick. Pros: compact and concealable. The .38 Special cartridge proved reliable and effective. Simple design and rugged mechanics. Cons: 6 rounds only. That short 2-inch barrel limits sight radius and precision. Some models have a heavy trigger pull that takes practice. Today's collector market puts the Detective Special between $600 and $1,200. And remember, this is one of the most iconic snub-nose revolvers ever made. So there you have it. 8 pistols that started as working guns and ended up as serious investments. If you own one, you might already be sitting on a fortune. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, because we've got plenty more deep dives into gun values, history, and collector secrets coming your way.